Good morning and welcome to T-Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge, the podcast where we explore financial market dynamics, emerging trends, and the insights that shape successful investments. Each week, we'll delve into the strategies and analyses that drive our investment decisions. You'll get an insider's perspective on the factors influencing markets and the potential winners and losers of tomorrow. Subscribe to the podcast to stay ahead of the curve and make informed investment choices. Enjoy listening.
European stocks tumble amidst global growth concerns. ECB rate cut looms. Renewed fears of a global economic slowdown sent European stocks tumbling, with the pan-European stocks Europe 600 index experiencing a significant decline of 3.52%. Major stock indexes across Europe followed suit, with France's CAC 40 index, Germany's DAX, and Italy's FTSE MIB all posting substantial losses. The UK's FTSE 100 index also suffered a notable drop. Amidst this market turbulence, the possibility of a European Central Bank (ECB) rate cut in September appears increasingly likely. However, opinions within the ECB remain divided on the future course of monetary policy. While some members advocate for a cautious approach, citing persistent inflationary pressures, others believe that recent economic data supports a rate reduction to avoid hindering economic growth. Adding to the economic uncertainty, German factory orders showed an unexpected increase in July, although this was largely driven by large orders for transportation equipment. Industrial production in Germany, however, experienced a sharper-than-expected decline, largely due to weakness in the automotive industry. These mixed signals have led economic institutes like IFO and IFO to revise their growth forecasts for the German economy downwards, predicting stagnation or even a slight contraction. The confluence of global growth concerns, mixed economic data, and diverging views within the ECB has created a complex and uncertain economic landscape in Europe. As investors and policymakers grapple with these challenges, the coming months will be crucial in determining the future trajectory of the European economy. Now our insight into alternative markets. NGA's $700 million AI bet. A boon for geospatial intelligence and private equity. In the United States, the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency's NGA massive $700 million investment in AI capabilities over the next 5 years represents a significant opportunity for private equity firms specializing in geospatial intelligence and AI technologies. This landmark contract, the largest ever for data labeling, underscores the growing importance of machine learning in analyzing the ever-expanding volume of satellite imagery and geospatial data. The NGA's focus on annotating raw data to train supervised learning models signals a lucrative market for companies providing data labeling services. Private equity firms with investments in this sector could see substantial returns as the demand for high-quality, annotated data skyrockets. Moreover, the NGA's emphasis on AI-powered tools to extract insights from geospatial data opens doors for private equity investment in companies developing cutting-edge machine learning algorithms and software specifically for geospatial applications. The ability to accurately interpret and classify objects in satellite imagery has far-reaching implications for various sectors, including defense, infrastructure planning, and environmental monitoring. This substantial investment by the NGA serves as a strong validation of the commercial potential of AI in the geospatial intelligence sector. Private equity firms that recognize this trend and strategically invest in promising companies are likely to reap significant rewards as the NGA and other organizations increasingly rely on AI to unlock the value hidden within geospatial data.
Thank you for listening to this episode of Hub Capital, the Investors Lounge podcast. I hope you found this content interesting and inspiring. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss a single episode, and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested. To learn more about T-Hub Capital and our activities, visit our website, hubcapital.com. You can also follow us on our LinkedIn page. See you soon. All the best from the T-Hub Capital team.